me, Mario.
K'NEX, the new snap-together color-coded construction set.
Every day when you're walking down the street, everybody that you meet has an original point of view. And I say, hey, what a wonderful kind of day. We could learn to work and play and get along with each other.
Genie!
A sprinkle genie!
This breakfast could use some sprinkles.
Hey, you wish it, I dish it!
New Sprinkle Spangles cereal? It's got sprinkles!
Yeah, Sprinkle Spangles is the part of this complete breakfast that's spangled from every angle with sprinkles!
I just wish I had a bigger bowl.
Hey, you wish it, I dish it!
New Sprinkle Spangle cereal.
It's every kid's wish come true!
Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready to clown around? With Lynette and Molly, I'll climb her dolly on the big comfy couch. There is lots to doodle do. Lynette loves to read for you. With a wiggle and a giggle and some goofy friends. The place where silliness never ends. Get ready. All over and under the big comfy couch. Get ready, get ready, get ready to clown around. With Lynette and Molly, I'm climbing her dolly on the big comfy couch.
Once you find yourself in the middle of most sandwich cookies, you'll find there's not so much middle in the middle.
You're telling me.
But now there's new cookies and cream Dunkaroos. You can make a sandwich cookie with as much frosting as you want in the middle. Because you take special chocolatey cookies and dunk them into creamy white frosting, then put them together for a sandwich cookie that puts you in the middle of a lot of fun. New cookies and cream Dunkaroos. Lots of middle.
Lots of fun.
Hey now kids, come get around. See what just skipped into town. So skip it, do run, do jump, do hop, hop. Skip it, skipping and a screaming and a bop to bop. But the very best thing of all, there's a counter on this ball. So try to beat your very best score. See if you can jump a whole lot more. Skip it, come on everybody, skip it. Roaring good fun from Tiger Toys.
In a few seconds, these celebrity panelists will try to uncover some highly unusual secrets. So if you want to guess along with the panel, cover your ears and close your eyes. Here comes our first secret now.
Hi, my name is Lisa Schmidt. I'm from California and I play giant Japanese drums.
Welcome to Figure It Out, where kids at home try to figure out what the kids here are doing. Our celebrity panel's job is to figure out why our two contestants are here. The catch is they can only ask yes or no questions. And here's our totally all that panel now. The follicularly challenged stage manager, Kevin Komolo. He's Leroy Leon Frierson. The human slime magnet, Danny Tamborelli. And finally, the Terminator, Lori Beth Denberg. Let's watch as they try to figure it out.
All right, remember when you say one of the words on Bill the Answer Head, you will hear this sound, and we'll turn it on over for you. It's as easy as that. If you hear this sound, yeah, don't be scared. Don't be
A Disney Channel movie. Let's watch a Disney Channel movie. Let's watch a Disney Channel movie.
the science guy. Bill Nye the science guy.
Science rules.
Bill Nye the science guy.
Inertia is a property of matter. T minus 7 seconds.
Bill Nye the science guy.
When you decide to step up to this kind of power, this kind of challenge, this kind of flying, crashing, feeling, when you decide to get serious, there's only one place to come, the games of Super Nintendo. No one else creates this kind of experience, because no one else creates these kinds of games. Now you're playing with power, superpower.
Hey, little buddy, want to ride? Yeah, whatever. I'll be right back.
Where can you catch all 150 Pokemon? On your Game Boy, that's where. Pokemon for Game Boy is here. With both packs, you can catch them all.
Now it's time to have a snuggle with my very best friend in the whole wide world. You. Well, I'm glad you could come over. See you soon. Bye.